Ni miaka 38 kuma mundu wa mbere kwandikithio gukorwo arwarite murimu wa mukingo guku bururi-ini, undu uria ministry ya ugima wa mwiri ikireire gutigirira ni yahukia ugwatania wa murimu uyu kaimana kuhitukira mibango ya guthomithia muingi ciigie murimu uyu. Umuthi Kenya ni irakungwira makinya maria itacukitie undu umwe na kugacirithia mitaratara ya kung'ethanira na murimu uyu na kunina ugwatania waguo guku bururi-ini ugikinyaniria mwaka wa 2030. Na nikio muthi ministry ya ugima wa mwiri hamwe na honge itiganite guku bururi-ini ari hamwe na cia kimabũrũri cinyitanĩire kuruguria mubango wa kuhimbiria ari magumirwo ni murimu uyu undu umwe na uria mangikinyirwo ni dawa cia kunyihia moruru ma murimu uyu nicio ARVs na njira ya naihenya hatari mihinga.
Those days when testing was an issue, when testing could be done abroad, when someone who has contracted HIV, for clinicians to see such a person, people could don as if they're going to the moon. Remember those days. If you see what is happening right now, there's a tremendous change. There are those days, people could die. A whole village will have been swept. Contracting HIV was a death sentence.
Murugamiriri munene wa urigitani ministry-ini no Dagitari Patrick Amoth ni ugite ni mehotorete gutigirira ni manyihanyihia ikuiria ciumanaga na murimu uyu undu umwe na ikiro cio gwatania guku ministry no ikiambika mubango wa guthomithia aruti a wira ruhonge-ini rwa ugima wa mwiri ciigie urigitani wa murimu uyu.
Let me remind us that over 1.2 million persons currently access HIV treatment in this country. As we move to expand the services, we must provide highly effective ARV drugs as a first treatment option in achieving viral suppression. We are moving from 2-tier testing to 3-tier testing, which is going to eliminate the false positives. For a long time, people living with HIV have been on a drug called cotrimoxazole for the rest of their lives. That has changed. Now we are going to be able to have stratified administration of that medicine. Akiaria hindi ya uruguri uyu mutafariri wa mihango ya ugima wa mwiri ya kuhurana na murimu wa mukingo bururi-ini wa America Lindsay Little ni ugite ni mahotete kuheana uteithio wa kibesha kuri Kenya wa muigana wa shiringi bilioni 700 kwa ihinda ria miaka 19 riria mabũrũri maya meri mambĩrĩirie kurutithania wira hamwe wa kung'ethanira na murimu uyu.
For PEPFAR, we are the single largest donor for the HIV response here in Kenya. We have tremendous successes we have made, and we need to sustain those gains. And also, we have not achieved epidemic control across every county, right? So we do need to be very focused and targeted on our services going forward and ensure that the systems are there to support.
Honge ici ni ciongereire kuga itanya riao ni gutigirira makiria ma andu milioni 2 ni mahota gukinyirwo ni motungata ma ugima mwega wa mwiri hamwe na kuheo dawa cia ARVs niguo kunyihanyihia namba ya ikuũ iria ciumanaga na murimu uyu.